Meaning of entertainment.
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 Entertainment. Entertainment refers to any form of activity or performance that is intended to amuse, entertain, or provide enjoyment to an audience. It can come in many different forms, including movies, music, games, sports, theater, and television shows. The main goal of entertainment is to provide a diversion from the daily routine and to offer people an opportunity to relax and unwind. By providing a source of pleasure and distraction, entertainment plays an important role in helping people to escape from the stresses and pressures of everyday life.